Hi, I'm Ankita Shalini.
Shripal,
Myself Anubala. Shweta.
Sandeep,
Ramya.
Mohan, Christopher.
Shwetalina Priyadarshini. ಬಟ್ ಆ ತರ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಲಾಯಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಗುರುಜಿ ಐ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಯು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸರ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್. So we are into the Zumba fitness and all.
Now she's marketing, okay? Until my breath stops, no, I'll be with you. I will honor my words.
So health was one of the issue before knowing about Vishwa Poornima. I am really missing Vishwa Poornima Yoga Centre.
Wow! I will promise in front of all as a guru, I will cure him.
ಬಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ನಮ್ದು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಯೋಚನೆಗಳು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಬದಲಾಗಿ.
I always keep thinking that I have shoulder pain, I have shoulder pain, shoulder pain. Today after the session I thought I don't have shoulder pain.
Wow!
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಯೋಗ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ. ರಿಯಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಗುರುಕುಲ. ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ನಾವು ಈ ತರ ಗುರುನ ನಾನು ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Shwetalina Priyadarshini. I am an IT engineer. She is my sister and she is also my sister. And
all the three sisters acknowledge. Three sisters in the family.
So we went to one or two centers but couldn't able to find. I think the energy which we call, right, that was not matching. So after meeting sir, we don't know, somehow I'll say like I am blessed or we are blessed, we ended up here. There is no doubt or anything. So I'll just share just one incident. Yesterday night we all three were going through the negative some thoughts, or we didn't sleep well. Something happened, and the like I'll say like this is also like we were not planning to register. And surprisingly sir, whatever sir has taught us, right, the same thing we all three like went through the last night. This is something like the truth, like where I didn't sleep. Like I'm a person who will not like what I'll say, I don't worry where my sleep will get disturbed, but somehow like we three were like disturbed. But after coming here, like whatever the lessons or whatever the things sir has like said, right, or passed the knowledge, we can relate. Like this is what we are going through
Wow.
in our day-to-day life. So what I'll say, this world is full of chaos and our mind is also like full of chaos. The morning I entered, right, like that calmness, the peace which I'm getting, right, I just wanted to be keep calm, quiet over there. I just wanted to be settled. Like it's really nice. It's a different experience which I am like going through. So I do not know like what is happening, but I am like very happy, relaxed, and I don't know, it's because of sir. Like that is what I'm saying, like we are blessed that somehow we are ended up here, we enrolled, we are learning for the life, or it's a healing process which is going to be there for the lifetime. Thank you so much sir.
One promise to in front of all the three things, okay? So souls, three young souls. I am standing for them. So until my breath stops, no, I'll be with you. I will honor my words. So without bias, expecting something you from, I never help to you. Without expecting anything from you, I'll be with you. This promise in front of all, in front of my guru. Okay? So no fear. Hereafter, drop the fears. So thank you so much as part of my life. Be happy forever.
Thank you.